Local news for Friday the 9th of August. Diversions were put in place on State Highway 2 at Clearville yesterday following a crash of a logging truck. The crash occurred at 7 a.m. No one was injured in the crash, however logs from the truck were blocking the road for some time. A crane and digger were required to remove the logs while the road remained closed until about 11:45. Thousands of people yesterday attended the funeral of All Black number 637, Sir Brian Lahore. Guests included a large amount of family, friends and former rugby players and officials, as well as golf and tennis buddies and politicians. There will be a minute's silence before this weekend's Bledisloe Test to honour All Blacks captain and coach Sir Brian Lahore. The government's process for policing protest in New Zealand waters is set to be tightened. In 2017, charges were laid against Greenpeace protesters Russell Norman, Sarah Howell and Gavin Mulvey after they forced seismic ship Amazon Warrior to stop working off the Wairarapa coast by jumping in front of it. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush head away tomorrow for another pre-season game and they'll take on Wellington Development. The game's set down for a 1 p.m. kick-off at the Hut Rec Ground.